Hey guys, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another catch and cook video, and we're going to be doing a catch, clean, and cook on sheepshead. I caught some nice sheepshead the other day. I was out with Salty Kayak. It's been about a week now, and I had the fillets in the freezer, so we're going to cook them up tonight. So why don't you guys check out this footage of me catching a couple nice sheepshead. I'll see you at the cleaning table, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen. I got a nice sheephead, guys. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I got a really nice sheephead. Awesome. Alrighty. That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! That's a nice sheephead. Let's see this bad boy. Awesome. Nice sheephead, fellas. Nice one. That's a good one. If I can get him unhooked. Alright, it's number 3 sheephead in the box. Oh yeah, this feels like a nice fish. A little squirrely out here this morning. Oh yeah, that's a nice sheephead. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, baby. That's another good one. I think I'll flip him in the boat. Yes. Awesome. Another beautiful sheephead. Look at that, guys. Nice fish. Right. That's 4 sheephead in the box today. This feels like a big sheephead right here, guys. Yeah, this feels like a nice sheephead. Oh, come on. Oh, this is a good fish, guys. Good fish. I want to see him. That's a nice fish. Woo! Come on, baby. That's a really nice fish, guys. I mean, this is a nice fish. Look at the size of that sheephead. Alright. That's a stud. Nice sheephead right here. Oh man, barely had him hooked. Look at that. He almost came undone. Alright. Nice sheephead. Nice sheephead, guys. Nice sheephead. Alright. Got my sheephead here from the other day. So I'm going to go ahead and clean one. For this catch and cook video. This is my biggest one of the day. Nice size sheephead. I got planes going by. I got the concrete guys over here, so I apologize if there is any noise interference, but it is what it is. So just basically make your incision along the backbone and just ride that knife along that backbone. Hear that clicking sound, pick your entry point to go through, come down, just come right along these rib cages. Just like that. It is cold out here today, fellas. Man, it's cold out here. Whew, it is super cold. My fingers are freezing. Nice little fillet. Same thing on the other side. Now I have a how to clean a sheephead video in my cleaning table playlist. If you guys want to see a full video on how to clean sheephead, there's 2 different methods of cleaning fish, sheephead in that video. The pull method and this method here. So you guys can go check that out. I'll put a card up here somewhere. is cold. There we go. Rinse this off. Just skin them real quick. For some pin bones, there's some right there. Trim that up. Just like that. There you go, guys. There's a finished sheephead fillet. Alright guys, I will see you in the kitchen. Alright guys, we're in the kitchen. And I got my sheephead fillets here. I got 5 nice fillets. So I'm going to lay them right in here in my baking dish. Just like this. Move them around so they fit. Alright, about like that. There we go. Alright, so I got them in there like that. A nice 5 fillets. I'm gonna clean my hands off real quick. And then to this, the stuff I used the other day on the triple tail that I absolutely love so much. I think this is the best stuff I've ever used with fish. This is absolutely incredible. And Moore's also makes my favorite wing sauce. But we're going to put this on these sheephead fillets. Just like this. Almost done. So I'm just going to put all of it in there. About like that. And then since we've already established that I am a big fan of Parmesan cheese on my fish, we're going to go ahead and put that on there. About like that, guys. So it looks about like that. Looks really good. Then I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil. Like this. Then I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25-30 minutes. Alright guys, got the fish out of the oven. Oh man, that smells, wow, that smells really good. I got me some rice. Go ahead and grab me one real quick. So it's going to break apart on me. It's not going to come out easy. Oh well. They can't all be picture perfect. Put some of the sauce on my rice. Man, that looks awesome. And that's what it looks like, guys. Let's go give it a shot. Hey guys, I got my sheephead all done. My baked sheephead with that Moore's garden seasoning. Man, it was so good on the triple tail. See what it tastes like on the sheephead. Dude, I love that stuff. That stuff is phenomenal. That is the best stuff I've ever eaten on fish. For real. Y'all gotta go out and check that out. That stuff is incredible. Man. Holy. That stuff is awesome. The sheephead is already good. That just made it absolutely phenomenal. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching it. And I hope you found it informative, the cleaning process, and the way that I cook fish. Nothing real big, extravagant, just tasty. Stuff that tastes good. Simple and tastes good. Well guys, thank each and every one of y'all for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys very much. You guys are awesome. This channel's been around now for just over a year, like a year and a month, and I've already got 300 subscribers because you guys rock. You guys are the bomb. You guys are awesome. And I appreciate every comment you guys give me, all the thumbs up, even the thumbs down. I even like some of the negative comments you guys give me. I find them comical and interesting, some of them. But you guys are awesome, and I thank each and every one of y'all. Till I get to see you again soon on the water, y'all. Tight lines, guys.